We are honored by your presence, and your presence will certainly prove to be a great motivation and encouragement for entire DPS fraternity and students. Journey from 2019, and she went there and she won bronze medal among 70 countries. So that was the first and the biggest achievement under my leadership. 2020 as our host form. So more than 170 countries are the part of that, and more than 5,000 students participated in that competition. So few students of our DPS schools also participated. I encourage them to participate, being a member of that platform. These two students stood first in whole world. Our one student got first position and second student got second position worldwide. So this was our second achievement in 2020 that was held in December, Student of the Year Award. Now student, dear parents, media members, Honorable Deputy Commissioner, our third achievement. Third achievement is about Science and Technology Symposium. In this symposium, 35 countries participated. And because I was too much motivated and I encouraged many students this time from DPS, I personally prepared all these students. I guided the supervisors, especially Nagina Malak. I would appreciate that supervisor, that whatever I guided to that supervisor, she supervised very well, and she guided all those students. And in that competition, we won 15 gold medal, 8 silver medals, and 1 bronze medal. First in whole world. And our 3 students, Adam Naveed, who is my son, and 2 other students, Aisha Kareem and Hania Aslam. These 3 students stood second in whole world. So this was our third achievement, worldwide achievement. Okay, our last international achievement, that was about International School Award. How I can forget International School Award? How I can forget Mavish Reyes? So clapping for Mavish Reyes. Clap for Mavish Reyes. For whole year, we worked for ISA project. And many times, she really disturbed me too much for ISA. I really appreciate Mavish Reyes. She took too much.
They will hold the command and control of this country and bring prosperity. They will leave no stone unturned in discharge of their duties. I wish them ever success. Please encourage them with claps. Under his kind control, many reforms have been introduced in this institution. He works from morning till evening for the progress and prosperity of this institution. It is the recognition of his services. It is the saying of Holy Prophet, one not thankful to fellow man is not thankful to God. Aisha Green, Optician, Science and Technology Symposium. Nida Aqil, please come on the stage and receive your reward. Nida Aqil. Number 6, Shamil Malik. Shamir. Number 7, Zimal Fatima. Huria Amjad. Huria Amjad.
दे देना बेटे इधर देखें
Number 9, receiving his reward, Anika Rauf. His reward, appreciation certificate. Tasmia and all these students, her father is coming. Manahi Shahir, silver medalist. Aymanur. Abdullah Gilani said silver is also a silver. Zara. After Nagina Malek, secondly, Robina Aslam. After Robina Aslam, Tahira Yasmin. After Sajjan Hussain, Sultana. After Mrs. Kamar Sultana, Miss who performed very well and were for devoted, sincere, hard worker, efficient. I
मेरे क्लास वाले लोग से अच्छे थे
Mrs. Kashmala Niazi. Mr. Naveen Ajam, another brilliant student. Her
सामने आती थी क्योंकि हमारा अपना काम जो है तो बाकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं देखते हुए फिर स्पेशल टाइम निकालना पड़ता है डीपीएस के लिए जो निकाला लेकिन उस पर बात यह है कि एज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आप अपनी एनर्जीज डाइवर्ट करते हो जहाँ पे इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत होती है सो आफ्टर गेजिंग एंड आफ्टर होल्डिंग 2 or 3 मीटिंग्स विद द BOG ऑफ द DPS Bakhar I was quite confident कि नहीं it is going on the right path और इस पर कोई इस तरह की चीज़ नहीं है that I have to intervene and I have to do it in detail look after it and if any issue let me know तो अल्लाह के फजल से बड़ी अच्छी टीम आपकी चल रही है and I hope and pray कि इसी तरह आप आगे भी चलते रहेंगे और बखर का नाम रोशन करते रहेंगे ये क्रेडिट मैं आप लोगों को देता हूँ at the same time the students of this institution टीचर साहिबान से जहाँ पे भी मैं जाता हूँ एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस के हवाले से whether it's district government education authority or somewhere else in a private school right now in DPS I always encourage teachers कि वो अपने बच्चों में जो पेडागॉजी की टेक्निक्स हैं जो इंक्विजिटिव चीज़ हो उसकी तरफ जब उस्ताद को अपने मौजू पे अपने सब्जेक्ट पे ग्रिप होगी अगर उस उस्ताद को अपने सब्जेक्ट पे ग्रिप नहीं है he or she will definitely try to shirk that responsibility and will not encourage in the student the attitude of questioning so मेरी आप लोगों से प्रिंसिपल साहब से यही होगी कि जो बच्चे आपके पास हैं उनको इस चीज़ की तरफ लेके जाएं so they can question you inquisitive nature जो है वो उनमें आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रमोट करें